key battery low on my Nissan. All right, in this video I want to show you how to fix the key battery low error light on any Nissan vehicle. Change out the CMOS battery in any modern day Nissan vehicle, and it doesn't matter if you have an Altima, a Sentra, Versa, Pathfinder, whatever you have. They're pretty much all universal on how you change out the battery. The majority of Nissans and cars in general will use this particular CMOS battery. It's a 2032, and they're very cheap and inexpensive. First thing you want to do is remove the key portion out of the key fob, and then that's going to expose the key fob like this. Now it's very important that you use the right tools and you do it the right way, because if you jam it, you could actually damage the motherboard and it'll make it non-operational, so you don't want to do that. So you can use like a little flathead screwdriver. To be honest with you, a precision one, the smaller one, is better. But the thing I've found that's most easy to use is actually a butter knife. Okay? And so after you take the keys out, look here on the front of it, and you're going to see two little compartments, one here and one here. And so what you're going to do in order to open it, you don't jam it. Like I said, you do not want to scratch the motherboard. You're going to take your flathead screwdriver or a butter knife, and what you're going to do is you want to go in a counterclockwise direction like this. All right, and you get one side, and then you go to the other side, and you lift in that little hole there. You'll see there's a little hole right there, and you go in a counterclockwise direction, and you'll have to pry it open like this. And this is the motherboard I'm talking about that you want to make sure that you don't scratch. Here's my bad battery, and so you're going to find like a little divot to where you can pry open. So we're just going to lift up like that and remove the bad battery. You're going to take the good battery, and you want to make sure that the label portion is facing to the plastic like this. Okay, and then just firmly insert the key fob battery in, and you're good to go. And that should work perfectly. And I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get these CMOS batteries very inexpensively.